All right, so this guy is crazy. He trusted me with all of his savings to go buy a duplex that was complete trash. I mean, complete trash. The whole thing was falling apart. But I was like, just trust me, bro. My friend Sean Rakajic does this Airbnb thing. I'm pretty sure it might work for homes. Just let's do it, man. There's a thing called a 203K loan, and you can just buy the house with like an FHA and then put all this money into it and then get it all wrapped up in a loan, and then you can put that on the Airbnb and you can pay off your loan. I had this crazy old idea in my head, and it turned out to work. And this was my first ever Airbnb real estate investor client story with Anthony Morrison, one of my good buddies. And it is a little chaotic. It's one of the first videos ever made. Hopefully Jonathan did a good job editing it, and it is watchable. So see you guys at the end of the video. Hey, Sean Rakajic, roll that beautiful bean footage.
Roll the bean footage. Bean footage announced.
Hey guys, we're here with Anthony Morrison. He just got sold his first house. He's doing himself a house hack, and we're gonna be doing it with a duplex and using the BRRRR method, and also trying to do some Airbnb. So without further ado, today is the demo day. Woo!
This will be Anthony's first investment property with me, so I want to make sure I did it right. We decided to go in the Bishop Arts area because of its high demand for people coming over and flipping old homes and making them new, and also its walkability to nearby shops. Plus, it's only about 7 minutes away from downtown Dallas. We got a really good deal on this one, and he's going to be doing the BRRRR method mixed with a 203K loan. Let's take a look inside, and then we'll break down more of the details here in a second.
Take out the floor.
Okay. So why did we decide to take out the flooring?
Because the foundation's all jacked up. You gotta fix the foundation.
Yep. And so is that what all this stuff is?
Yeah, that's part of the flooring. Most of it's in the backyard under like some tarp. But yeah, this is just like the extra stuff that wasn't part of the initial tear up.
Let's go check out the backside.
Alright.
This deal came in at $370 initially, and we got it down to $315. Because of issues with the foundation, we convinced the seller to give us $5,000. Also, the property is 2352 square feet, 2-story, with that price per square foot coming down to $131 after everything's said and done, which in this area is a great deal since most things start around $200 plus.
Another look at it. It's from the kitchen to towards the tile. You can see all the wood down there.
So how do you get $130,000 renovation costs and this entire house for under $4,000? Well, what he did was he got a 203K FHA loan, which allows you to wrap a personal loan into a construction loan and all together and pay it off as in one. So that allowed him to put $12,000 down and $8,600 in closing costs. Now he got $10,000 from his personal network and $6,800 gifted to him from the seller for closing costs. So in the end, he only paid $3,762 cash to close.
This whole kitchen, all the cabinets, the fridge, stove, sink, everything. Replacing the flooring and the subflooring out here, and then the all are here.
So let's do the math really quick. We know for a fact it's going to cost $3,300 a month for him to hold this place, and he's going to live in one room downstairs. He's going to rent the other one out to his friend. Now, Airbnb Automated is a really great channel on YouTube. I recommend you checking it out. And they said that including vacancy rates, he's expecting $4,500 a month upstairs through Airbnb. Now, the property brings in $5,300 a month in income, but subtracting the $3,300, it brings you down to $24,000 annually on this house. Now, putting in the fact that he only put $4,000 down, that's a 638% cash-on-cash return.
All right, thank you so much, guys, for sticking around, and girls as well, for watching this video. I know it's a little old school, but hopefully you got some good some content out of that. And also, we're gonna do a follow-up video with Anthony. This was like 2 or 3 years ago, and then we did a follow-up one like 6 months or a year later, something like that. So the next video we're gonna be posting is what happened after he got done with the renovations and he got people in it. It was a follow-up, and to see how his numbers looked after that. It was around 9K a month, and so that was pretty cool. So watch that video coming up next. Hopefully the recommended video somewhere around here. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, like and subscribe, like and subscribe, like and subscribe, like and subscribe, like and subscribe.